Google Ads is becoming more and more powerful every day with increasing demand and increasing searches every day happening on Google Ads, I mean Google search engine, and with the powerful Google ecosystem by like Google All, Gmail, YouTube, Google Display Network, and through Display Network you are able to advertise on all websites participating in Google AdSense program. So you can reach almost 80% of the traffic online just by advertising on Google. So, let's say you are running Google Ads and suddenly you see an error like Google Ads account suspended for unacceptable business policies, and you must be surprised. I mean, what this actually happened? So, this is a video of a successful account restoration or reactivation of a Google Ads account which was suspended for unacceptable business policies of one of our client. And in this video I will be explaining on how you can get a step-by-step guide on how you can unsuspend an account, and how we were able to get our account unsuspended which was suspended due to unacceptable business policies. So let's get started with me on this. Okay, so first of all, we need to understand the common reasons for this suspension. So there are three reasons, which is why Google thinks that your account can be suspended, and Google is thinking that you're pretending to be a business which you are actually not, and Google is thinking that you are trying to writing someone else's business or someone else's name. Second is which is very important, and that is high volume of negative reviews about your own business or third-party websites. Google takes a strong eye in websites such as Trustpilot, Google own Google Map listings, and everywhere where any common review websites. And in case if you have a huge number of negative reviews, it means that Google starts thinking that there is some fishy or they are bullying or scamming, or they are not actually providing the expectations people have with their product or service. So you also need to keep an eye with your negative reviews. In case if you have a good amount of negative reviews, then again it's a cause of concern for why your Google Ads account suspended for unacceptable business policies. And the third is false advertising. False advertising is actually misleading, miscommunicating, something we are not going on. Back in the day I was seeing an ad where you like to get free domain and free hosting, and when you click on that, then eventually you have to pay a one-time fees, and people get surprised. So this is actually a false advertising or a scam. People get used on like, oh, I wasn't supposed to pay for this. And businesses who are using logos and brands that are associated with other websites are also in particular danger. As long as you are a franchise of someone brand and you are authorized to use it, it's okay. But in case if you're not authorized to use it, it is a clear-cut violation. So franchises, resellers, authorized dealers, companies with multiple websites or ads accounts for different geographic regions can also get this type of an error. But the key to identify is to get the problem solved, and we are helping in restoring your Google Ads account with such issues. As my company is a Google partner company, I'm a Google Ads certified, Facebook Ads certified advertising professional, and I have a bundle of people working with me. So in case if you have such an error, we will be gladly able to help you on this. So let's move on and let me show you a successful case study of a client. Okay, before I show you the client, let me tell you that this was not a new client. This kind of error actually happens on old accounts. Old or running accounts usually see this kind of suspension error, not new. Okay, not new. Why? Because new accounts does not see such kind of error, because this suspension error actually happens when your accounts get older, and review like negative reviews or false advertising or pretending to be other business can be seen after getting some clicks. So ideally or majorly this happens with the older running accounts, and you cannot see such kind of error on new accounts. So let me move on to that account. So let me see. Okay, you can see that these reactivated accounts, and this is an account which was suspended for unacceptable business policies. And in case if you can see their all-time traffic or all time clicks. I'm gonna show you. You can see the account is 2003, so it's like a 20 years old account which was being suspended. So there is no time frame on when do you get your account unsuspended. I mean suspended for such kind of violation. So it can happen anytime, every day. So you can see that almost 5.46 million and 164 pounds were spent on the account, and then it saw such an suspension. So yeah, you can see now notification that your account has been reactivated and is up able to run ads again. You might need to update your billing information before you can run your ads again. So again, this is an account case study, and now if you ask me on what exactly we did, okay, so first thing first, we overviewed all the pages of the website for 404 error, in case if there was any broker links. We also looked on content, if there was any content which was violating Google Ads policies. We had to go over view all of the pages and content for compliance. Once we were done with, we studied their program model, and we studied in case if there was any scamming or is mishappening or anything issues with their payment checkout system. Once we figured out all of these things, then we looked on their reviews. We thoroughly reviewed all of the reviews and found anything cautious over there. After this, we went on to find out the registration certificates they had. Their business registration certificate, the areas and countries they were targeting, and then we worked on the competitors who are running same ads as like these, and what kind of ads they were having, and we had a cross check of their ads, and we also looked on their landing pages, their website for compliance. We also thoroughly studied their privacy policy pages, terms of services page, and compared those with our pages to see in case if you are lacking or losing out on those things. Once we figured out our investigation of these things, then when we asked about their business registration certificate, and then we asked about any certain authority which which is controlling you in your target area, or are you authorized to run on specific areas. When we were get with the documentation process, then we submitted a detailed appeal to Google with our documentation proofs and comparators information, relevant images. We also provided billing information. We also discussed like we are quite a close old client, and after thorough investigation and thorough research, again it took us a month. Again, it could have been few days, but with the Google support, Google has ample of queries every day coming on, and so we also need to do certain changes on second or third request of Google team. And once we were done with this, we finally saw some day that our account is unsuspended. So it was a quite happy moment for us that our account was unsuspended. So yeah, we were very happy to see, and the client was again very happy to see like account is unsuspended. So in case if you want to get your Google Ads account restored, or even Google Merchant account restored, we are providing our services. Let me tell you that I'm a Google Ads certified, Facebook Ads certified advertising professional, and my company is a Google partner company, and we also provide digital marketing services, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, SEO services, conversion rate optimization, even web development services as well. So in case if you like to work with us, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box, or we have added our link in the description box. In case if you want to see, you can see over that as well. So this was again a reactivation case study of a Google Ads account suspended for unacceptable business policies. How was it? In case if you have any feedback, question, comments, suggestions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box, and make sure to subscribe to this channel. But before doing any kind of unsuspension, let me tell you that one thing you need to be assured before even coming to us, and that is that you need to be patient, and you have to do changes with your website. Not everything is completed almost all of the time, and you may have to do certain changes on your website which you are not sure. So you need to be ready that there can be certain changes happening in your ad, in your pages, and you have to get certain protocols or approvals. We can help you where we can, but nothing can be done without patience, and we have to be consistent. Yeah, we are consistent, but we need motivation from you, I mean our clients as well, and this is the way to work it out on it. So yeah, thank you and bye bye.